The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a tornado warning for southern Brooks County in deep South Texas, northern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, southeastern Jim Hogg County in deep South Texas, northeastern Starr County in deep South Texas, until 5 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over southeastern Jim Hogg County, about 8 miles north of Santa Elena. Movement was to the east at 35 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Rachel by 4:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, away from windows. Cover your head and body with pillows or blankets. Please report tornadoes or funnel clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432. Repeating. A tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Brooks, Hidalgo, Jim Hogg, and Starr County, deep South Texas.